Hello to all of you. Today we're gonna make a math activity. What are we using for this math activity? Well, we're gonna use some shapes. We're gonna use some number cards with the number on it and also black dots that represent the number in the card. For example, I have here the number 7 and how many dots in the number 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, of course. Also, we're gonna need some popsicle color sticks for this activity. And let me tell you about this farmer. This activity name, it is the farmer builds a fence. This farmer has animals and he loves to build fences for his animals. That way he will keep them inside the fences safe. And his farm, he has some horses, cows, pigs, sheep, and roosters. He already had in mind what fences shapes he wants to build. Today, we're gonna pretend to be the farmer's helpers. So we're gonna help him to build these fences in different shapes. First of all, let's go and talk about the attributes of each shape. Let me show you this shape. What shape do I holding up? Let's go count the sides on this shape and also the corners, okay? That will help you to remember what shape is this one. 1, 2, 3 sides on this shape. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3. The same amount of the sides. Are the sides the same size? They are. They are the same size. I'm sure you already recognize this shape. This is a triangle. Yes, triángulo en español. Perfect. And also, we have this shape. Let's go count the sides again and the corners. That clues are gonna help you to recognize the shape and to say it out loud. This one, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Are the 4 sides the same size? What do you think? What do you see? No, they're not the same size. Look, the side on the top and on the bottom are longer and they are the same size. But the sides right here are shorter. So on this shape we have 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Do you recognize already this shape? I think you did. This is a rectangle. Rectángulo en español. We're doing so good. Now, I'm gonna hold up this shape. Do you recognize it already? Let's go count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How about the corners? 1, 2, 3, same sides, 4 sides. This shape, it has this, all the sides are the same size. What do you think? Yes, the sides are the same size. It is a square, of course. Okay, for you to remember, okay? And also the farmer has another shape in mind to build one of the fences. This shape, I'm wondering how many sides on this shape. Let's go count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides on this shape. How many corners do you think? Are you ready to count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners in this shape. Are the sides the same size? Yes, they are. So if this shape has 5 sides and 5 corners, the same size, it is a, do you remember? Pentagon. Pentágono en español. And the last shape that the farmer wants to build, it is a, what kind of shape is this one? Not a very common shape, right? Let's go count the sides on this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, like the rectangle and the square. The trapezoid also has 4 sides. How about the corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. Here is the question. Does the side are the same size? Look at it. They are not. Of course, you noted right away that the side on the top is a little bit shorter than the one on the bottom. The side on the bottom, it is longer. How about the sides? They are the same size. Yes. So this shape has 3 different sizes. The shorter, the longest, and these are a little bit longer than the one on the top and a little bit shorter than the one on the bottom. So this shape, it is a trapezoid. Trapezoide en español. Are you ready to help the farmer to build the fences for his animals? I am. I'm gonna put these shapes right here. And these shapes are gonna help us to guide us to build the fences. But the farmer, or we're gonna see in the sun, pay attention to the sun because the sun is gonna let us know what shape the farmer wants to build. Okay, do you know the son of the farmer in detail? Okay, we're gonna use the same tune of that song, but we're gonna change the words a little bit. And we're gonna use the color sticks to make the fences. Okay? Let's go sing the song. The farmer builds a fence. The farmer builds a fence. Hi, Hortidario. The farmer builds a fence. Make the fence a triangle. Make the fence a triangle. Hi, Hortidario. Make the fence a triangle. So, because we're gonna make the triangle fence first, we're gonna use it as a guide. So how many sticks do I need? 1, 2, 3. And the sticks needs to be the same size. Are these sticks the same size? Yes, they are. Look. They are. All of them are the same size. So I'm gonna build a triangle, right? It's gonna be one of the fences for the animals is right there. That's a perfect triangle. Same as this one that I have here. But a little bit smaller. Listen to the sun. The sun is going to tell us what is the next shape to build. The farmers builds a fence. The farmers builds a fence. Hi-ho-di-dario. The farmers builds a fence. Make the fence a square. Make the fence a square. Hi-ho-di-dario. Make the fence a square. Let's go look for the square to take it as an example for building our shapes. Okay, so how many sticks do I need to build the square? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use the blue one to build the square. There is 1 stick. 2, 3, and 4. Yes, perfect. Same shape. Listen to the song. The farmers built a fence. The farmers built a fence. Hi-ho-di-dario. The farmers built a fence. Make the fence a rectangle. Make the fence a rectangle. Hi-ho-di-dario. Make the fence a rectangle. Da-da-da-da-da-da. I have the rectangle right here. So I'm going to use the yellow sticks to make the rectangle. How many sticks do you think do I gonna use to make the rectangle? Because remember, I have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So maybe I can use 1 for this side. And how many can I use to make the long sides? Maybe 2, probably 3 or 4. It's up to you, okay? You can use as many as you want. Just keep in mind that to make a rectangle, 2 sides needs to be longer and 2 sides needs to be shorter. That's it. It doesn't matter how long do you want to make it. But be sure to make 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Oh, perfect. We have our rectangle ready. And now, listen to this one. The farmers built a fence. The farmers built a fence. Hi-ho-di-dario. The farmers built a fence. Make a fence a pentagon. Make the fence a pentagon. Hi-ho-di-dario. Make a fence a pentagon. Here I have it. The pentagon. Do you remember how many sides on the pentagon? Or do you want me to count them? Okay, just to remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides on the pentagon. I'm gonna place the pentagon right here. I have to move the farmer. I'm moving the farmer. I'm gonna place the pentagon right here. already these color sticks. So I'm gonna use the orange sticks to make the pentagon. 5 sides. Are they the same size? They do. They are the same size. So one of the characteristics of the pentagon is like, if you see it, they have the shape, a house shape, don't you think? And some of you remember or recognize it, the pentagon, just keeping in mind that it has a house shape. So that's a tip that you can use to remember the pentagon shape. And because all the sides are the same size, we have to be careful to build it correctly. Yeah, okay. There we have our pentagon shape. Perfect. Okay, so the last shape, we have one more shape, but let's go listen to the song. The farmers built a fence. The farmers built a fence. Hi-ho-di-dairy-o. The farmers built a fence. Make the fence a pentagon. Make the fence a pentagon. Not a pentagon. We did it already. Make the fence a trapezoid. Make the fence a trapezoid. Hi-ho-di-dairy-o. Make the fence a trapezoid. Yes. So we still need to do the trapezoid fence. So I have it right here. Do you remember how many sides and how many corners on the trapezoid? Let's go count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the attributes of the trapezoid, it is that it has a long side on the bottom, a shorter side on the top, and 2 sides that are the same size. So now I'm gonna use the red sticks to make the trapezoid, and I'm gonna just place it here, okay, for you to see it. And how many sticks do you think I'm gonna use to make the trapezoid? Do estimate, okay? How many do you think? Say it out loud, and let's go find out if you thinking the right amount of sticks. I'm gonna use 1 for the top that is shorter, 2 for the sides that are a little bit longer, right? And how many on the bottom? Let's go see how many do I need to close the trapezoid. I'm gonna need 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 sticks. Yeah, to close the trapezoid. Look at that. How many sticks do I need all together to make the trapezoid? Let's go count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 shapes to make the trapezoid. Oh, wonderful. I do have the trapezoid right here. Let me turn the shape so you can see also the words. So today, we did the activity. We helped the farmer to build all different shape fences for his farm animals. So we help him to make a triangle fence, a square fence, a rectangle fence, a pentagon fence, even a trapezoid fence. Let's go clap for that. Well, I hope you enjoyed the activity and you will recognize and memorize the shapes and the name of the shapes, okay? Thank you for listening and thank you for all your attention. Take care. Bye-bye.